Boy, I gotta tell you, what I'm about to talk about right now is a huge problem in our society and amongst people on the internet and just in general. This is a big one. All right, so 98% of you have no clue how to focus. I'm not talking about focusing on your phone. Okay, any business, I don't care what it is, any business, any endeavor, this right here will set you apart from everybody else. You know, talk to Steve Jobs. I mean, he's dead now, but you know, look at Steve Jobs, look at Bill Gates, look at look at Donald Trump. You know, not the biggest fan of Donald Trump, but I mean, he is successful. Okay, so look at Dan Pena. Look at all the drummers that have focused on getting what they want, in their endeavors. Okay, that is it right here. I'm talking about laser beam focus. Okay, I'm not talking about focusing on your phone or focusing when you're practicing. I'm talking about going after what you want. All right, building a career and being focused about it, right? Having an outline, and you have your outline, your vision, and you do whatever you need to do to put that into play, right? Usually, it takes about a little more than this, but 12 to 15 successful focus hours, all right? Any business, you're gonna put in about 12 to 15 hours of serious focus. So, right there. Focus, laser beam focus is a big key. Now, in the drummer success world, that could be focused on getting wedding gigs, focused on getting touring gigs. All this requires serious preparation. So now you would be stunned how much time we waste on our phones, looking at our computers. Unless you work on the computer. I mean, if you actually logged in your hours, like how much productivity you had during the week, during your work hours, you'd be staggered how much time you've wasted. You would look back and go, oh my God, what have I been doing, right? So, a lot of people don't hold themselves accountable when it comes to focus, all right? What helps me is I have checklists, and I don't stop working that day until I'm done with that checklist. And there's a shitload of stuff on there. And sometimes I might have to put something off to the next day because I just don't have the time to do it after everything is said and done. And sometimes some things take more time than others, but for the most part, checklists are really helpful, all right? And, you just keep, during your work day, you just keep going down and checking things off the more you get them done. And you stay on that, You can have a lunch break, you can do all that. But for the most part, take breaks, take lunch breaks, but you know what? Put your phone on airplane mode. It's not gonna hurt you. I mean, if people really need to get a hold of you, they'll leave you a message. It depends what job it is. So as drummers, okay, drummer success right here. What do you want to do? And whatever it is, you get focused on it, okay? And start to make some income doing it. That's the key right here. You can do that, but people will tell you that you can't. Well, you know what? They can go fuck themselves, okay? So right here, all right, get focused. Zero in on what you want to do. Put it into play. Don't come up with 1,000 excuses. Well, I don't know how to start. Just start. That's it. Start and get focused. All right. Talk to you next time.